So, hi, dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Cappies. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, it can be a new person or it can be somebody who feels like having a fresh start with you, like starting from the start, and this time they feel like making it a very stable, secure, slow moving energy, slow but stable kind of moving energy. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as their feelings for you. We have the Hanged Man, the Knight of Cups, and the Six of Swords. This is somebody who feels like no matter how hard they are trying to move on from this situation, they are not able to move on. They are feeling stuck on the situation. That is why they feel like they should start all over again with you. So something might have, if this is not a new connection, new bond, or newish kind of connection, you guys had a rift or fight or something and you guys tried to move on from each other, but this person is not able to do that. That's why they are feeling like coming forward towards you with some kind of peaceful resolution so that you guys can start from the start. Now they're able to now this person is feeling like they're able to see your side of the story also, and now they feel like having a fresh start. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Empress. From your side, you feel like having growth and expansion. Okay, right now you might be very focused on yourself, your money, job, career, finances. For some of you, you might be planning for pregnancy also. For some of you, you might be already pregnant. There's something related to a child or pregnancies there that is of importance right now for some of you, right? Let's clarify the Empress here. But you feel like having growth and expansion and a partnership where you can rely on that person, where you can create a beautiful world with them. Let's clarify the Empress. We have the Fool card, the Queen of Wands, the Strength card. So you feel like taking the leap of faith with somebody with whom you are feeling very, very attracted to, infatuated to. There's a lot of fun, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of desire. And then there's this energy of, okay, let's take it slow. Let's take it really very, very slow. Because you feel like having something long term, having something stable, having something safe and secure. But right now, you're not getting that kind of energy from this person or this situation. That is why you feel like holding back and taking it slow. You're not shutting it down completely, but you're not investing in the situation completely. That's the deal. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? We have the Page of Cups. Yeah, this person wants to come towards you with some kind of genuine energy of expression. They want to express their feelings. Now, I don't think so they're so deep that they are going mad over you and they can't live without you, but they have genuine interest and genuine feelings for you. So this is what they want to express. This is what they want to show or say to you. Let's clarify the Page of Cups as their intentions. Just come here. Let's see. We have the Three of Swords, the Devil, and the Star card. They're coming out of a very painful kind of a situation. They're still on the path of healing themselves from a past person, past situation, past breakup or hurt. Maybe it was with you also only. And now they just want to come forward towards you with this offer of, let's heal the situation if this was between you and them, if this heartbreak or this painful experience was with you and them, right? If not, this person wants to talk to you about each and everything that they have gone through in their previous connections, so that they are not going to repeat the same kind of cycles and mistakes again with you. And they want to come forward towards you with a genuine healing energy and with genuine feelings, genuine expression of their feelings for you. This is what they want. A genuine connection, a genuine bond. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Three of Wands. You just want to keep moving forward in your life. You don't want to stop for anything or anyone. You have this energy of moving forward. You are 1 foot in, 1 foot out of a situation, and you just want to be completely out of a situation so that you can connect with the right one. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands here as your intentions, Cappies. We have the Two of Wands and the Three of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. You just want to wait. Lot of energy of waiting and watching and hoping, and you just want to wait and watch for the right time, for the right kind of energy to approach you, so that you can have the start or restart that you really want to have with someone specific and or a specific kind of person or energy. Right now, even if somebody is going to come forward towards you, you might not be able to take that opportunity to start or restart something with someone. You are looking forward to do that, but you are putting the situation either on hold deliberately, and or there is distance between you guys, and you are waiting for that distance to be over so that you guys can start or restart this chapter all over again with somebody with a fresh energy. Hmm. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 26th of July 2026. We have the Tower. Something is going to be exposed or revealed, or collapse. Something is going to be like right in surprise or shock you. Let's clarify the Tower as the potential outcome for you guys for this week, Cappies. We have the Moon card and the Eight of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Yes, something that was not revealed to you or expressed to you, or if you had any kind of fears or doubts or insecurities or not so clear energies regarding a particular person or situation, that is going to be okay. There is going to be a lot of, like, suddenly out of the blue, you guys are going to find yourself talking to somebody a lot, having heart to heart communication, lot of energy exchange, and things coming back to balance, things coming to this equal give and take of energy. So something will start picking up pace suddenly out of the blue when you will be least expecting it to happen, and everything is going to be mostly clear between you and this particular person and energy, and things are going to be quite balanced, quite okay, quite positive between you guys. Okay, this is good. When you will be least expecting for this communication to happen, that's happening, and then this is going to bring a lot of balance in your life, in your love and relationship area. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week. We have the Knight of Wands, the Empress, and the Three of Pentacles. If you want some solid, committed, long-term partnership kind of a deal, you have to stop engaging yourself in on and off, in and out, just for fun, just casual kind of energies. You just have to stop entertaining those kind of energies. I got almost similar guidance for another sign also. So until unless you guys are going to stop entertaining this on and off, in and out, immature energies, whether somebody else is approaching you in that way or you are approaching people in that way, until unless you are going to stop doing that, you will not be able to have this kind of growth and expansion and happiness and the partnership that is equally interested, equally invested from both the sides. Simple as that. So Capricorn, if you want something stable, you have to be the stable energy first. If you want to manifest a long-term partnership, you have to have the energy of attracting that kind of partnership in your life. Then only it's possible to have that in the 3D world. Otherwise, it's going to be like always on and off, in and out, full of confusion. We are together, we are not together kind of energy. So you have to make it happen with your own energies, with your own choices and decisions. Okay, cool. So let me answer one of your questions regarding this particular situation of your life. If yeah, if it resonates, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it go. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. And I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and pause. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. We have reconsider as the answer for you guys. Let's see. Reconsider. Yes. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. That's the answer for you, Capricorn, if this is making any sense. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.